Welcome to the 1-minute tapping meditation for stress about finances 2. This is Deborah Lucero from liveyourfulllife.com. This is a wonderful calming meditation when you need a quick release and don't have a lot of time. In this tapping meditation, we will focus on relieving stress about paying for car repairs. You can pick one acupressure point to stimulate, or start on the eyebrow point and move through as you repeat the statements out loud or to yourself. You can choose to close your eyes to add an extra level of relaxation and comfort to this technique. Find a place where you feel comfortable and safe, and we will begin. To begin, we will take 3 deep breaths to calm the central nervous system. Breathe through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. We will do that again. Breathe in. Exhale through your mouth. One last time. Breathe in and exhale through your mouth. Begin tapping at your own pace. Even though I'm worried about not being able to pay for my car repairs, I honor how I feel and choose to forgive myself. Even though this worry just keeps nagging at me, I honor how I feel and choose to forgive myself. Even though I can't stop thinking about how I'm going to pay for my car repairs, I honor how I feel and choose to forgive myself. I just don't have the money right now. I have other bills to pay. Stressing out about it doesn't make it go away. How else can I deal with my stress? What if I choose to release this stress? I choose to let it go right now. I choose to think, feel, and be positive to attract positive actions into my life. Take a deep breath. Release any and all feelings, thoughts, and events holding you back right now. Slowly open your eyes when you are ready. You may feel the need to do more tapping. If so, please measure your level of stress on a scale of 1 to 10 before and after each round of tapping until you feel relief. A number below 5 is a good stopping point. From everyone here at Live Your Full Life, may you find hope, healing, and peace.